Hello streamers, welcome back for another video tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how you can fix exporting your scene collections to other computers, to other paths without getting any errors. I know sometimes it's so infuriating when you want to export your overlays, you have like 1,000 scenes, 1,000 sources, and then when you export to another path, OBS just gives you a lot of missing files. So what have I done? I created the scripts that will help you out finding the missing sources without you have to go one by one and tell OBS where the source is. So to recreate the problem, I will move all my overlay pack from this path that is here. This original overlay is on the desktop, as you see, and now we will export the scene collection using the export tool from OBS. I will select my overlay path and I will choose the import file folder. Doesn't matter, you choose whatever you want, just to recreate this problem. And now what we're going to do is to close OBS and move the folder from this path. I already created a folder here on this stream, paste it, and now if we open OBS again and we try to import our scene collection that we exported, let's select the file that we exported, Pixel Ghost Spec, imports, and then we select the scene collection that we imported, we will get the famous missing files error. So how do we fix this? It's super simple. I created a script called import utility. So how do we install our script? It's super simple and easy. First thing, you need Python installed on your computer. If you don't have Python installed, you will need to install it. The link will be in the description, or you can search on Google Python and install a version that is compatible with OBS. For example, I installed firstly the Python 3.13, but it didn't work, so I installed a version 3.12 and it works. You just select the folder where the Python executable file is, select folder. After you have Python installed, you go to scripts, you click on plus, you go to our amazing folder where the overlay is, and you have import files. You'll have our import utility script v1. Here you go. After this, you just need to do a couple more things. Convert JSON file is a tool that you are going to use. Select main path. We'll select the folder where all the files from our overlay are. In this case, in my case, it's this one, animated Pixel Ghost Spec. You need to ensure that all the missing files are inside the main folder. After this, you select the exports scene collection that you created. In this case, I created the Pixel Ghost Spec.json. Now I will explain a bit what are these settings that we have here. Matching options. Strict folder name matching. This means that the script will look for the original subfolder names. If you change any files from the original subfolder names for another folders, deselect this option, but usually I don't change anything from the subfolders names. I'll let everything on the same subfolders names, so I let this option on. Case sensitive matching. If you have two files with the same name, the script will identify each source by different case sensitives. Match OBS source names with extensions. Sometimes when you import a file into OBS, it will leave the file extension in the name. For example, let me import here panel. If I drag a source file into my sources, you'll see that the file format will stay on the name. So if you want for the script to be able to detect this as a name source, not a file source, you should leave this option on. And now we just click convert. This will open our script logs. It will tell you whatever the script is currently doing. We just need to wait a little bit. Currently, he identifies how many folders and files are inside each folder. and then it tells you after it changes the files, what files that it changed. For example, the original Be Right Back video was on this path, and the script changed for this new path. This is how it works. And then under here it tells you conversion completed, changed 17 sources, and changed an errors usually when the file is deleted or it couldn't find it. Any file, it goes to the errors. Unchanged is if it finds the same file in the same old path. Okay? It's simple. Now it's done. You can close the script. You can delete or close, whatever you want to do. I'll just close it. And then you go to scene collections. You can remove this one. Doesn't matter. Import. And then we import the file that the script created. The script creates a new file in the import files called converted. So you select the converts. You import the scene collection. And now you can select the scene collection. And Shazam! You have the files on the different path without any missing files, and it's working correctly with the transitions, sources, text, everything. The script is super helpful for the people who are changing computers, who are rearranging the whole overlay from one path to another, especially for people who have really big overlays with a lot of scenes and a lot of sources. For designers who are creating overlays and their clients are having a hard time importing the overlays. And my objective was to create something simple, minimalistic, that would help people importing their overlays into OBS without having too much struggle. I know how hard it is when you're starting to learn OBS. You have to learn all these things, how to create scenes, nested scenes, sources, audios, videos, loops, how to configure everything. And this will help you out to import overlay into OBS. Keep in mind that the script is in early stages, let's call it a beta stage. I did it myself with a little bit of help of AI, so I am not a big programmer. If you have any problems with the script, please contact me via Discord. We have our community, your social space there. You can create a forum post here on the need help. You can create your posts, specify what is happening, and I'll come here to help you out. Please reach out to me and talk with send a message, a private message, or here on the comments. The objective with the script is to create a tool to help people usually import overlays or overlay packs, scenes, sources, rearranging, so ideas are welcome. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to join our community. And if you are looking for overlays, you can talk with me on Discord, or you can check out our shop, Etsy shop we have down there to support the channel. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.